So this one is shorter, an A-frame shift dress. Oh, and I love this little like keyhole thing with the pleats. Very cute. Again, just like a simple base layer that you can just change up the vibe with jewelry, belt, hat, accessories. You could wear this as a dress. You could wear it as a cover-up. It's so comfortable and simple. Oh my gosh, this is the medium. Again, the sizing, the online sizing is just like so hard, right? You're like, don't know what size to get. So I could have gone smaller, but I thought that this one has no shape to it. So I thought looser is better. And I think sizing, rounding up was a good call on this one. I don't know. This is the sky blue. I would have said royal blue, but whatever they want to call it, I don't really care. It's gorgeous. Tons of colors, not a lot of solid options, mostly prints, but all of them just gorgeous.